back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing weekend, and I am definitely feeling better. I'm still not quite 100%, so after I do a couple videos, I didn't want to get behind. I'm going to spend the rest of the day kind of just relaxing, and hopefully tomorrow will be 100%. But as you can see from the description, I did receive another Allure box. And for those of you that saw the video, just a few days ago, I received an Allure box. Come to find out, it was the October 2017 Allure Beauty Box. Now, mind you, I signed up for Allure the first week of August, and the box that I opened the other day, the October 2017, was the first box I have received. No shipping information was ever emailed to me. I didn't know this was coming, so I don't know what is in here, so we're gonna find out what Allure decided to send. I have been billed for the August 2018 and the September 2018 box, but I got October 2017. So, like I said, I'm very curious to see what is in here, so we're gonna dive in here together. And fingers crossed that it is one of the boxes I have paid for. I really hope it's September, because September was the one that had some products that I saw that I was like, ooh, those look really good. So let's just take a look. I get the lid off. Okay. So this is what it looks like when we open it. I'm going to guess that this is the September box, because I know September was when they did, instead of having they usually have a picture of a very beautiful lady on the cover of the little insert. But I know that September, they did not. They had the Allure Best of Beauty. So, fingers crossed. That's what it looks like. So we're just together gonna peek. It's September. So I finally, October 13th, received the September Allure Beauty Box. So I'm actually very happy. Still not that happy with Allure, but very happy that I did receive this box, because I had seen some things and I was like, yeah, that looks like a really great box. So, for those of you that have not seen the September 2018 Allure Beauty Box, I'm going to show you what we got. So, the very first item is by TLC, or Drunk Elephant, TLC Sakari Baby Facial. And this... show you guys. This it says, it would be fair to assume that TLC stands for Tender Loving Care. This creamy, fragrance-free peel has earned its cult status and 2017 Best of Beauty Award for being as gentle as it is effective. But the acronym actually refers to tartaric, lactic, and citric acids, 3 of its skin brightening, pore tightening ingredients. Full size price is $80. And it just says, suggested use once weekly, apply an even layer to clean dry skin, leave on for 20 minutes, rinse thoroughly with warm water, and pat dry. Follow immediately with our marula oil for best results. Slight tingling may be experienced. So I'm super, super excited to have gotten that and give that a try. The next product is by Rich Kid IGK. It is a coconut oil gel. This coconut oil infused gel is the foundation in creating the hydrated, lived-in, undone hair of right now. Apply to clean, towel-dried hair and let air dry for optimal separation and hydration. So that is this. I will probably put this to the side for a giveaway because I don't really use hair gel. So this will be going into a giveaway for one of you guys. So now, okay, this was one of the items that I was very excited about in the box. It is a MAC full-size lipstick, and I got the color Ruby Woo. I know that there were two colors. You could have gotten the Ruby Woo, and the other color was Lustering, and it says it's a glossy watermelon pink. I wanted the Ruby Woo because you got to have a really good red lipstick for fall. And I do have other reds, but this I was very excited to get and wanted to give it a try. So again, full size MAC lipstick in Ruby Woo. And you guys, this color is just absolutely gorgeous. I am so super excited. So, the final two products in the box kind of go together. Let me tell you how much the lipstick is $18.50, and the IGK Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel, if it was full price, is $29. Now, these next two, like I said, these kind of go together. Still think this is funny. So this is the September 2018 box, and there are promo codes with each of the items in here when it tells you a little bit about them down at the bottom. And it says to receive 10% off your purchase, valid September 10th through October 11th. It's the 14th. So they aren't going to do me any good. But I digress yet again. So this is the Tartiste Pro Lash Adhesive in clear. I'm so glad it is in clear. So it is a lash glue. And for those of you that have watched other videos, Tarte is one of my favorite brands. So I'm super happy about that. And to go along with it, I am super happy we got some Tarte lashes. These are the Tarte Tartiste Pro Girl Boss lashes. And the full size, which obviously they are, is $12. So, and the full, if I did not say this, I think I did, but I'm not sure. But the full size where the lash adhesive is $9. So, yay! So I am super excited that I finally received a box that I've paid for, and worked out for you guys because one of you is going to get that gel, the hair gel, because like I said, I just don't use hair gel. But again, I think this is a really great box. I'm super excited to give this a try. And then this MAC lipstick is just gorgeous. And then of course the Tarte lash glue and lashes. So I'm very, very happy. So Allure somewhat redeemed themselves. So yeah. Allure, I have a smile on my face with this Allure video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and like I said, I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys with the next video. If you have not already, please do go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you here and have you join our YouTube family. Lots of unboxings. So again, otherwise, have a wonderful weekend. I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.